Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm happy, and I hope that you are too. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm happy, and I hope that you are too. Yay! Hi everyone! Remember when we made these drums that Miss Compton was just playing? Well, this is the one that she and I made, and it's a cat, if you can't tell already. And we named her Melody. So today, I know you saw something else, and that was this, when we were singing the hello song. And do you know what these are called? These are called maracas. And some people call them shakers too, because you shake them and that's how they make noise. So we're going to be doing a lot of music activity this year. So you're going to make your own maracas today too to go with your drum. Have you made your drum yet? If not, that's okay. But maybe you'll want to make that soon so you can have your maracas and your drum at the same time. The maracas are fun and easy to use because all you have to do is shake it and it makes noise and music. So you're going to be able to use those just like your drum throughout the year for our different music activities. And as always, you or your parent can pause this video at any time if you need to. So first, for your maracas, we're going to need a container just like for your drum, but I'll show you some containers that can be used a little better as maracas. So for example, you can use like a Play-Doh or a little toy plastic container like this, or if you have a little jar, mayonnaise jar, this is a Duke's mayonnaise jar. Or have you seen these before, the little Easter eggs? That would work too. And you can make more than one, you can make two if you want to. And then here's like a little baby food jar. And then last but not least, you can use something like this that's like a little Tupperware container that your parents might have. So what you can use for the things that you put inside your maraca are things like if you have some buttons. See, the Duke's jar has the buttons inside, so it's like, sounds like that. That's a cool sound. Or if you have like pasta or dried beans, this little baby food jar has pasta and dried beans in it, so you can see that's got a different sound, right? So this one can make all different kinds of sounds. And then even things like rocks, like little pebbles from outside. And this Easter egg, we had pebbles in it. See, that has a lower sound to it, right? You hear the difference? And then you can also use, for the Play-Doh, we have some coins, like little pennies or something. If you have some loose change, you can put in there. So when you, it sounds nice too, right? And then what about popcorn kernels? Anybody have popcorn kernels? Even though you might have the microwave popcorn bags in your cabinet, you can even take some of the kernels out of that. See, like the little popcorn kernels. And then that's what's in this little container here. So you can see there's a lot of different possibilities of the things that you can put inside your maracas, and they all make different sounds. So you might want to experiment a little bit if you have different containers or stuff to put inside. So then, just like with your drum, you're gonna decorate your maraca however you like. And like you see with this, I just kind of went crazy. I put some felt on it. Miss Compton put some ears with some pipe cleaners, some construction paper, googly eyes. I love googly eyes. And then we got pipe cleaners here and some foam we use. So we just used the stuff we had, and I have a lot of cats, so I just made a little cat one. So I think I might decorate this as a maraca. So I could do things like we talked about before, like doing some construction paper. You can write on it with crayons or markers, paint even. You can use pipe cleaners, you know, bend them into whatever shape you want. Of course, googly eyes, you can use those if you want to. You can even use like outdoor stuff you can use leaves, like little dried leaves, and sort of decorate it, or little twigs like this all the way around too. And even if you have like an Elmer's glue or something, you get some tiny pebbles, you might even be able to glue some pebbles or something onto your maraca. So I want you to think how you want to put them together and get your materials for it. And then once you've thought about it and planned it out, because planning is a big part of it, right? We want to know what we want to do first, plan it out with our materials, and then we can start working on it. And then you can play music with it. You can play a song, and you can use your maraca with it. You can use your drum and your maraca at the same time, however you like. And then your parent can take a photo of you and your maraca after you're done decorating it. And then you can add it to your toy and book area so we can use it later. So I had a lot of fun with y'all today, and I'm glad you came to join me, and I'll see you next time, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.